Today, we're going to unclog the drain that receives the water from the washing machine. We have two simple remedies that will help us unclog the drain. By the end of this video, if you're able to get your drain cleared, all I ask is that you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful advice. Step 1 is to determine that it's the drain that's clogged and not an issue with the washing machine. I saw my washer pump out the water, and then I heard the water backing up like a train in a tunnel before it erupted out of the pipe. I had to use 2 buckets and a tub to hold all of the water. This can happen with small or large clogs. The first method will help clear small clogs and should be done every few months to continue to keep the pipes clean. The first method is to pour a cup of baking soda and a cup of vinegar down the drain and let it sit for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can also pour hot water down the drain. However, it cannot be boiling hot water. If you bring the water to a boil, make sure it sits for at least 5 minutes to cool down. Boiling water can damage plastic PVC pipes, so be careful. If you don't have baking soda and vinegar, you can also use Liquid-Plumr or Drano on small clogs. Use as directed on the bottle. If baking soda and vinegar or Liquid-Plumr can't remove the clog, you'll need to snake the drain. For under $30, you can get a simple drain auger. Mine has an adapter to connect to a drill and a hand crank, but I found it easier to simply feed the snake into the drain by hand. The hardest part, which is still easy, is working the snake through the P-trap at the bottom of the drain. Once you get near the P-trap, lock the snake so no more wire can come out, and then crank the auger. This will twist the snake and work its way through the P-trap. Once it's through, keep feeding the wire until you hit the clog. When you get to where you can't feed the line anymore, lock the wire again and then crank the auger to clean the drain where the clog is. When you're done, reel the snake back in. Lastly, test the drain to see if it's clear. Running a water hose down the drain to see if it backs up is the best method. But if you can't do that, then try the washer on a low water setting. If you thought this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful videos.